Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice very well on your demo account like I said earlier on. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so if you are yet to give me a follow, kindly do so right away, and of course do not forget to like my videos and share my videos with friends and family. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video will be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. This has been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see we got a downtrend signal around there. We also got a sell signal, and of course it kept on selling, got to this support zone but broke out below it, had a little pullback and went back there to try it out again. So this is still selling at the moment. However, if it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course this actually went on downtrend from here and it came to an end around there, and then from here it went on uptrend, and of course still buying at the moment. So if it's unable to break out from that resistance zone, then definitely it will go back on downtrend, but we need to wait for every necessary signals before you can follow that. Okay, but if it breaks out above the resistance zone, to keep on buying. Okay, buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time before it to change the direction into a sell trend, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 started an uptrend from here, and of course it got to this resistance zone and it started selling right from there, and it sold till it got to this support zone, and it has not been able to break out below this support zone. So it bought for a while, but here is another resistance zone. Okay, so if it's unable to break out above this, then it will go back on downtrend. But if it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying. Okay, this is buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time in case it's unable to break out from there. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It crashed from this resistance until it got to this support zone, and right from here it has been buying. Okay, and of course it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, and of course guys, the next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. V75 started an uptrend from here. It came to an end around there, so it started a downtrend, and you should notice this actually gave us a M shape, and of course it is selling at the moment. Okay, if you have been following the analysis on the Telegram channel, you will notice that some of our trades are still going on, and of course this is about 18 the TP around here, and of course I also showed you on here. This is also about to hit TP. This has actually got into its TP, and of course these are some of the trading activities that we took today. Okay, so guys, you can always make use of the two any of these two custom made indicators. Okay, you can see I'm using the two. This is one, and the second one I showed you earlier at the beginning of this video. So that is how amazing it is. Okay, so if you're having any of the two, you are good. If you're having the two, you are even doing very well, and of course if you're having none, then you can reach out to me in order for you to get yours. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Okay, let's check out volatility 75. It is selling. Okay, so definitely this is going to be selling more. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to take your time to understand the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, just go back to the channel, learn my strategies, and of course get the right trading tools, and of course guys, practice very well on your demo accounts before you start using them on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.